Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to update TikTok on Android. First guys, I need to mention that right now we are working on Android, but don't worry about it, it is the same process on iPhone. It is quite simple and quite fast. Firstly, what you need to know is that there is no option for updating your TikTok directly from the application. What you need to do is just simply open your Google Play Store and then you need to find for the application by typing it on your search box. Then you need to go on the application, and as you can see I have an option for updating this application. But in case if you have updated before, I don't know, maybe 1 week or 3 days or 1 month maybe, and maybe it will not be available for you to update it again because it is in your latest version. But in my case here, as you can see, it is not in my latest version, and that's why it's given me a chance for updating. Go on the update section and then you'll need to wait for the update on this application. Just wait, the speeding up is just becoming stronger and stronger, and you'll need to wait 3 seconds right now. 1, 2, 3, go. You need to wait for the installing section, and as you can see it's verified by Play Protect. The Play Protect is the most secret site for your phone and for your phone security. Now you need to wait, and right after installing you are gonna open it in the application to see if there is a new feature on it. As you can see guys, if you scroll down in the ratings and reviews, the mark on this application is 4.5. It is a crazy number which gives a top 3 in social. As you can see, now the application has been updated. Go open it, and now guys, you know how to update TikTok on Android or also on your iPhone. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.